welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And in today's video I'm gonna do some makeup and I'm gonna do my go-to look, like my everyday go-to look. It's not a no makeup look. I don't do that. I do proper makeup every day. I just feel like I need to do some makeup every day after getting up, and this is how I do my makeup every day. If I have shoots, or if just generally if I want to do some makeup, this is the look that I create every time. So I'm going to show you how I did this look, and without any further ado, I think I should get into the video. So first I'm going to do some skincare. I'm going to use some serum. This is Nykaa Skin Potion Overnight Repair Facial Oil. Even though it is overnight repair, I'm going to use this before my makeup because it works pretty well. So after the serum, I'm gonna move on to some moisturizer. I'm gonna use this Garnier moisturizer, and I will not be using any primer, so I'll make sure that I am very much hydrated with this moisturizer, and I will massage it as well very nicely. I'll take some time and massage it very nicely. And after all the massaging is done with the moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some chapstick because my lips are very dry and they keep on peeling. And for the makeup, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 230, and I'll use a beauty blender and dab it all over my skin. See, because I did the skincare back then, now my foundation is looking like really flawless. My skin is looking really flawless because skincare is very important before makeup. Otherwise your foundation or your makeup can crease, it will not last long. So yeah, skincare is very important, and dab it until you are satisfied with your blending, because makeup must blend, otherwise you are just wasting all the products. So because I am doing my go-to makeup look, I am not going to just pour my face with a lot of foundation. I would have done that if I would have gone for some glam look or something, but because it's a go-to look, so कम foundation ही रखना है क्योंकि everyday it's not possible to have a lot of foundation. Moving on to this concealer from Fit Me Maybelline. I'm in the shade 25 and I'll use it eyelids के ऊपर भी, so that जो blackness है वो सब निकल जाए and मेरा जो base हो eyeshadow का बहुत strong हो. And nose के ऊपर and forehead maybe I will use. Anywhere you have spots, you can use that too, on your pimples or acne spots, and blend it with your beauty blender very nicely. It must blend with your foundation. So this is how you blend your concealer with your face. I like to use this brush with a brown eyeshadow. Any dark brown eyeshadow will do. I am not a big fan of gel eyebrow kit or all that. I prefer dark brown eyeshadow. So I'm not a pro. I'll do what I can do best. So this is how I do my eyebrows with a dark brown eyeshadow. But this is the best I can do right now, unless all my makeup arrives. So yeah, I'm done with the eyebrow, and now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use it. So I take the lightest shade from the palette and dab it on my face, and then blend it with a blending brush very nicely. And ये eyeshadow बहुत ही light होने वाला है, so yeah, बहुत अच्छे से इसको blend कर लेना है सबसे पहले पूरे eyelids में. Proceed to this color. This is from Makeup Revolution palette. So I've taken this pinkish cream color ka eyeshadow, and I am blending it with the lightest shade that I used earlier very nicely. I will be using this Tuta Futa eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, and I'll use this. This is very 240 rupees, I guess. This was that cheap. So I'll take some, and the outer corner. Did I take any? Okay. Sorry guys, I need to see here in order to. So as this is the darkest shade for today's eye look, I'm gonna blend it in the outer corner because I generally, that is how I do my makeup. I just blend the darkest shade on the outer corner, and I'm gonna do the same very nicely, blend it, and then put it in my lower lash line. This one's enough. And then use the blending brush again and blend some. Also, I wanted to show you the pigmentation. Just one stroke, and see, this is how pigmented it is. This is how pigmented these are, like really. Like, this is how pigmented these eyeshadows are. So yeah, you can give it a try if you want to try something new. I'm not gonna contour or anything, and just use some blush again from Wet n Wild. This is my favorite blush. I love it. My broken brush. Take some. I think the eyeshadow is a bit too much for a go-to makeup, but next time I'll do makeup in 5 minutes. Makeup look within 5 minutes. I want to do that, so I'll do that. I'm gonna use my everyday mascara, Maybelline. Every day. So now I'm gonna use this lipstick. Where is my lipstick? I'm gonna use this Chotu lipstick from Nykaa. This is the shade Bombay, Bombae. So lipstick is done, and now I'm gonna just use some highlighter from Makeup Evolution, and this one. I think you have seen this before. I'm gonna take this. Oh god. Okay. I'm gonna take this shade and not a lot because it's everyday go-to, but I generally love to put on a lot of highlighter and a lot of blush on daily basis. Now brow bone. And Cupid's bow. I think I need a little more blush in my life. This is how my makeup looks, and I am ready. Pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I think I helped you guys, or maybe you guys can try this look as well. And I'm gonna see you next time, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and bye guys.